Awesome. So Melanie asks, what is your favorite way to research for new best-selling printables ideas without going down the rabbit hole?
Yeah, there's rabbit holes, right? Well, I'm going to give another sort of non-answer, but luckily, actually, I do have an answer. But luckily, we also have Yusuf because I know when we do our intensive training on the course creation with printables, you're like doing more like the Etsy research, the keywords and stuff like that. I don't like doing that. I never really liked doing that. So I always do it by building an audience and then learning from them. So I think of what problems my audience has and I do that. I may look around and what's out there as well, but I'm doing it sort of in a different way. But obviously there's both ways, and I think either way is not overthink it, right? And a lot of this printable stuff and course creation, especially the way we teach it, you're not going to invest your life's work into creating a single product. There's lots of opportunities to test, expand. Every little product that you put together could later become in a bundle and you can sell it again. So even if your first time out, it's not the best seller because maybe you needed to add something else to it, then you've got lots of opportunities to make up for it. It's all digital. And it only costs you money once or time once to create, right? So you can build from there.
Absolutely. So you can use your competitors to know what is selling. You can also use Google search engine, Bing. You can use Etsy. Just look at the best selling products. There is a tool called it's not
Everbee?
Bumble.
Everbee?
Everbee. I can't believe I use it so much. I can't believe that I forgot it. I actually have a few videos on how to use that tool, which is a Chrome extension that shows you, that makes you analyze or be able to analyze Etsy products, and you can see what actually is selling so that you can either replicate or get some understanding, try to come up with similar products that you can sell online. So yeah, you can do different ways of researching different things. But the best thing is look at your competitors, and there are tools out there to look at your competitors, whether you're using a search engine or an Chrome extension tool that makes you dive into different products being sold at different platforms.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yes, and you'll
Beth,
get the both sides. I do like our audience building side, the more research, we're going to share a lot more about that. And yeah, Yusuf is more step by step. I'm like, well, just do it, see what happens. So I think you'll find we make a good team to learn from.
absolutely, absolutely.